Hey friends, in today's video, we're going to be testing out Olaplex's latest patented product, the number 8 Bond Intensive Moisture Mask. So I'm going to be going in and doing my full wash day routine using only Olaplex products. However, I'm starting with number 3, which is recommended to start on dampened hair. So I had my little turban on. I just wet my hair down in the shower just to prepare it. And this is what my hair looks like. It's pretty strong, pretty healthy, pretty full, but it is lacking a little bit of elasticity. So as always, we are going to start by sectioning our hair in half. It's easier for me to work with my hair in sections based upon its density. We're just going to dampen the hair a little bit more and get it ready for number 3. So for anybody that's new to my channel or my ongoing Olaplex series, welcome. And for anybody that's curious about the brand, I just want to share that Olaplex is a pH balanced, patented bond building system that works on a molecular level to repair damage and broken bonds. But it's also really good just to maintain healthy hair against things such as heat, color, excessive styling, and environmental causes like free radicals. It helps to strengthen, it helps to build elasticity, and to protect against any follicle breakage. It's sulfate-free, it's phosphate-free, it's vegan, it's cruelty-free, gluten-free, and paraben-free. And similar to my other reviews, this video is not sponsored. I did review number 0 and did a 6-month update to number 0, and it's really in-depth. There's also a number 1 and 2, but it's only for licensed professionals, and at large, my audience wouldn't have access to it. But again, if it's something you're interested in or you have any concerns, let me know and I will clarify anything that I need to. So now jumping back into our routine, we're going to, as promised, start with number 3, which is the Olaplex Hair Perfector. And so it's their bestseller and it's an at-home treatment, which is not to be confused with like a conditioner or deep conditioner, but it helps to reduce breakage, visibly strengthens the hair, helps to reduce shedding. It doesn't have any silicones or oils, and you can see almost immediate results from using it. Every time I use this product, I notice less shedding. My hair is more manageable. It's a lot softer. So as you see, I'm not stingy with the product. And after I get it fully applied to the hair, I like to go in with my favorite detangler brush, which is the Felicia Leatherwood Detangler. I always start ends to root, working the hair up because you don't want to snag at the hair, tear at the hair, and you really want to be gentle in the detangling process. And although I wasn't wowed by number 0, number 3 has become such a staple in my routine. It's almost what the natural girls would consider a pre-poo, but like on 100. After it's applied, I like to twist it down, and per the instructions, you are to leave it on for 10 minutes at minimum. And as you can see, we have a pretty healthy amount of hair shed, nothing to be too concerned about. After rinsing off the number 3, we left it on for about 20 minutes or so. You can see that my hair is not only defined and not only shinier, but you can see where it's shrunken up, which means it's really retaining the moisture from that product. And so here's the gimme gotcha and experiment we are doing this time around. As you can see, I only use number 3 on one side of my head, and you may be wondering why. Well, for 2 reasons. Whether hair care or skin care, whenever I introduce a new product into my regime, I always want to isolate it. I want to see how it works. Is it working at its maximum force because I already have a great routine established? Or is it something that is a standalone product? So if you look at the comparison of my hair, the side that I use number 3 on, obviously it has more shine, it has more definition, it's more hydrated, more elasticity. But there are days that you don't really have to do 4 or 5 steps. You want to be able to shampoo your hair and condition it and get it out the door. So what we're looking for now in our shampoo routine, using number 4, we want to see, is number 4 and number 8, the intensive, enough? And so for anybody that's new to the number 4, the highly reparative bond maintenance shampoo, it helps to repair and strengthen, to protect against everyday stresses such as damage, split ends, frizz, and it also provides manageability and shine. Number 4 has stolen my heart. It's one of my absolute favorite shampoos. The consistency is creamy and thick, and it also provides a nice lather. And as I've mentioned in my previous Olaplex videos, I'm a gal that likes to wash all of my hair from scalp to ends, make sure I'm getting those edges and every single inkling of hair on my head. And so before we go into what we all came to see, the number 8, I just want to check my hair at this moment. Before, when we rinsed out number 3, we could see the side that didn't have any Olaplex on it. It was dry, it was dull, it was screaming for some life. But even just in the shampoo portion, we could see where it's gained elasticity, and we can also see how the hair is beginning to be treated. And so we're finally at the portion of the video that I'm sure you came to see, where we test out Olaplex's brand new number 8 Bond Intense Moisture Mask, which is a multi-benefit reparative hair mask that guarantees to moisturize, smooth, and it adds body and shine. So the first thing I noticed right off of the rip is it's very similar in consistency to the number 5 Bond Maintenance Conditioner. But again, because we are trying to isolate number 8 and see how it works and stands alone, we're not going to be doing number 5. But as always, with any product, always starting at my ends, working my way up to my roots, and then really getting one product concentrated throughout the hair. And because we already used the detangling tool earlier in the video, I'm not going to be using anything for this portion because I really want to use my fingers to see how the product feels on the strands of my hair, to see how it coats the hair, to see how my hair reacts to the product. And per Olaplex's website, this product is supposed to provide 2 times the amount of shine, 4 times the amount of moisture, 6 times the amount of smoothness, and during their clinical trial, about 94% of the people noticed more body in their hair in comparison to the Bond Maintenance number 5. So I was super pressed for this product to come out. So I purchased it the day that it dropped, and I've been using it for about a month. I can see my hair is retaining more moisture. I have improved elasticity. My curls are more defined, and I'm having reduced shedding. Now, y'all know I was less than impressed with number 0, but baby, I likes number 8. And so after leaving number 8 on for about 30 minutes and rinsing it in warm water, I am now going in with Olaplex's number 6 Bond Smoother, which is the concentrated leave-in smoothing cream that helps to strengthen, moisturize. It helps to speed up our blow-dry times. It's excellent for color and chemically treated hair, and helps to eliminate frizz and flyaways. And I first introduced this product to you guys in the Olaplex update video, and I said I'm not going to do a review for it because a leave-in is a leave-in. But from using this product, I have noticed it intensifies the moisture in my stylers, and I can definitely tell the difference when I don't start with this product. And while I don't do a lot of heat styling personally to my hair, it's really nice to have a product that reinforces my heat protectance. So not only do I know my hair is being treated in its stretched state, but I know that I won't have any issues when it's time for the curl reversion process. So that said, as you can see, I blow dried my hair today. These ends was crunchy and it was time for a trim. But all in all, I really like number 8. I would not only repurchase it, but I would definitely recommend it. If you tried it, let me know how you feel about it in the comment section below. Y'all know if I ain't like it, I will tell y'all the honest to God truth. So thank y'all for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.